Silver will slam the brakes on Thursday and throw it into reverse. This market has just slammed the brakes so hard it's rattling the dashboard. What seemed unstoppable just days ago is now showing hesitation. And when hesitation shows up at this part of the cycle, it's not random. Big money is reacting to what hasn't even hit the headlines yet. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner was Dustin from Alaska. Click that link I left down below. Be the next winner on that list and take home that silver. Now, check this out. Here's the setup most people are not paying attention to. After weeks of thin reporting and holiday quiet, a wave of U.S. economic data is scheduled to drop, and traders are already repositioning ahead of it. When markets go from silence to information overload, which is what we are about to experience, prices don't glide, they jerk. Silver hates uncertainty right before that data. That's when traders step back. That's when they lock in their profits. It's when they wait. And that pause is what slams the brakes. Look, according to the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis, the last full GDP reading showed growth slowing to under 2%. And that has traders on edge heading into these fresh numbers. If these reports confirm slower growth, rate cut bets come roaring back. Bullish for silver, for sure. But if they surprise the upside, silver doesn't drift lower, it snaps. This is where things get dangerous. Silver isn't trading on hope anymore. It's trading on rate expectations. And rate expectations live and die by inflation and jobs data. If inflation cools further or hiring cracks, the market immediately prices in faster rate cuts. That weakens the dollar and it lights a fire under metals like silver. But if inflation sticks or jobs stay firm, the opposite happens. The dollar firms up and silver gets shoved backward fast. The most recent CPI reading, listen to this, it showed inflation running over 3% year over year. And that was well above the Fed's 2% target, yes. But that tells traders the fight isn't over. It tells them uncertainty is here, and that is poison for momentum. What we have to understand as regular everyday silver stackers is that markets don't wait for confirmation. They reposition before the numbers land. End of year trading is notorious for sharp emotional moves. Funds clean up books, they lock gains, they reduce exposure before that first week of January, and that creates violent swings, especially in assets like silver that already run hot. So when traders dump risk and the dollar starts moving, silver feels it immediately. And when the dollar rolls over, silver snaps back just as fast. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list and take home that silver. I'll see you on the next one.